Folks, you burning everything. My nigga burning everything. This is how not to barbecue.
This shit ain't even burnt though.
That shit's burnt.
That shit ain't burnt.
That shit's burnt. Wow. Barbecue gone bad. This nigga done burnt $100 worth of food. And burning some more. Come on, folks.
Why the fuck you laughing, though?
Cause you the burn master.
This ain't how I cook, though.
Yeah, it is. You cook like this. Why you getting so aggressive? Shit happens. Yeah, mad at yourself.
It's alright though. I can pay for it.
I ain't say you couldn't pay for it. I don't give a fuck. It ain't my food. I don't eat the shit.
Why the fuck you taking pictures?
I ain't taking no motherfucking pictures. I'm laughing at your ass.
Put your phone down.
I ain't putting shit down. You turn that fire down, motherfucker.
I tried to.
We're worried about what the fuck I'm doing and concentrate on what the fuck you need be doing.
That fire said fuck you.
You out here sweating like like you been running track. Look at that nigga. We in Hell's backyard.
Right. I'm tired of this already.
This nigga out here wet. That nigga new name. Wait, not Keith Sweat. Keith Wet. Nigga over there down.
They want to put me on Facebook.
That nigga. Nah, not never am I gonna put you on Facebook. Not this shit right here. I'm not even on Facebook, nigga. Man, we gon' we might make World Star off this shit. This nigga done burnt everything, even him.
Yeah, I am burning me.
Look, you burnt your pants, your shorts. The shit that don't make no sense is the nigga that's barbecuing.
Yeah, I can't get this shit ain't nothing.
And what that little motherfucker say, I'm put something on you so cold. That nigga say, I'll put something on you so hot. Flip it, G. You burning just that one side. Flip that motherfucker.
You got the fat on. That's how I know this shit ain't.
Man, turn it over, G. You only cooking one side of the damn thing.
I'm gonna have to. I gotta put more foil on it. I'm trying to fix this damn top layer.
G, you better flip this over, man, because this side already burnt.
Top layer first. This shit ain't right, dog.
You ain't lying. This shit ain't right. Look, you putting the rack all on the meat and shit. So nasty ass nigga, man.
Oh, nasty. This how the motherfucker rack.
Look, Nick can't even put the rack back in there. You know he done just clean fucked up the whole 4th of July for everybody. Niggas gonna be eating ramen noodles and hot dogs for the 4th of July dinner.
Until I go to the store. I can go to the store.
Shut your wet body ass up. Who gives a fuck? It's your money. It's not my food, folks. I don't give a flying fuck. Cause it's entertaining. Your wet body. Hey, the nigga put the burnt shit outside. The birds don't even want it.
crack back in here.
That is fucked up. You done fucked your mama's food up, your food up. You got the whole family mad at you, man.
They care about right here.
No, they care about they slabs of rib, man. Quit trying to make shit up. They care about all their food. That's why they bought it.
All right, whatever. They don't care about the damn slab.
Man, turn that piece of thing over, dog.
I'm tired of this shit already.